Hello everyone, welcome to EdgeRise channel. This is 20 minutes challenge day 17. And wait, I am bringing you something new. Let's learn something new every day. Let's see what we are going to learn today. Uh-oh, it's the same. Chapter 3, Graphical Excellence in Excel. Cyber Quest keeps learning grade 7. We are going to learn about graphics in an Excel sheet. But let's see what's new today. This is what we are going to see in Learn Something New Every Day. So, we are going to talk about AI productivity tools. How many of you are aware of AI? What AI is? What are different tools that are available? Those who don't know, you can just take a screenshot of this and use it whenever you are looking for some AI tools online. And most of these are free. So if you like to start with AI chatbot, we have ChatGPT. Like many of you are using it right now. But do you know there are many more things chatbots that you can use? You might have come across Meta AI in your WhatsApp. Gemini, you might have seen somewhere with the symbol here. We have Copilot, Perplexity. Apart from that, we are also can use all these chatbots. Cloud, DeepSeek, Grok. We have right Meta AI. So these are all chatbots that are available. Presentations, we can use these. So you can take a screenshot and just use it whichever you want it. And let's see the spreadsheet that we are talking about. We also have some AI spreadsheets. If there are some data to visualize, we can go with visualizing tools that are available. As we are showing with the graphs, you can also use these tools online to just convert your data into super cool visualizations. All right. I hope you're happy to learn about today's learning. Let's get started with 20 minutes challenge. All right, let's start the timer. Okay, in today's class we are going to talk about, where was I? All right. So graphical excellence in Excel. In the previous video, we also have all started with these topics where we have seen how a formula can be inserted. Sorry, this is chapter 3, charts. How charts consist of, like we have different components of charts here. We have seen 9 components what a chart consists of. Then we have talked about common charts that are available, how to create a chart. We also have created a chart in Excel in the previous video. If you have not seen, please do check it out and please subscribe to the channel so that you can keep learning every day with me in 20 minutes challenge. Chart title, and we also have seen formatting a chart. Okay, we'll quickly go to the Excel sheet now. Right. We had started with birthday expenses on this Excel sheet for the second chapter. Then we also have gone with this applying some formulas. If you remember, cell references. Now, when I call some points that are related to other chapters, it is like active recall that you are doing. You know what active recall is? Something that you have recently learned and trying to recall it. Now, what is the significance or what is the importance of doing active recall? The significance is that your brain, when you are trying to retrieve the information again and again, it stores it in a permanent memory. So, the more frequently you recall it, the more permanent it gets stored, and you will not forget it during exams. That's the power of active recall. So here in this tabular column, we have seen how we are going to apply some formulas, that is by call references. We have relative reference, absolute and mixed reference. If you can't recall, please you can check your chapter 2 notes and go through that once. All right. Next, we also have seen these by the references. Okay. In third chapter, we had talked about this tabular column, first creating a table with day and temperature, and then creating a chart by using these tabular column. Quickly, we'll go with the steps. How did we do? Select the table first that you want to convert that into chart. Why do we have to convert into chart? The first important point, data visualization. Understanding or analyzing data in numerics is not easy. Now, just in a glance, if I ask you which day had the highest temperature or which day has the least temperature, now looking at the value at a glance, can you tell me? No. But when you see here on the graph sheet, can you just tell me which day? I'll just zoom in. Now, can you tell me which day had the highest temperature? Just at a glance, because this visualization is making you easier to grab, to analyze, and visualize the data. So Thursday it was 37. What was the least? 32. It is on Wednesday. So just by a glance you can able to extract, analyze the data. That is the power of data visualization. So we'll go back to creating that chart. First select the table, then we'll go with insert. Here we'll have this tabular column. This is called column or bar chart. You have to click on this insert column or bar chart. These are 2D, 3D column charts and 2D, 3D bar charts. Whichever is convenient to you as per your data that you have, you will be just clicking on that. Then once you are placing the chart, you will go with editing, add or remove. So for doing that, first thing what you do, click on the chart. We have different elements or components on this chart. The whole box is called chart area. When I press inside, you will see each of these are having. Okay, when I press inside, can you see there are one small rectangle box inside that is called plot area. Now this plot area is the information that it consists of, and the whole outer area is your chart area. Chart area will have plot area plus some legends. There can be access titles, there will be chart titles, right? All these things elements contains in chart area. Plot area consists of your category axis, that is x axis value. You'll have value axis. On the y axis you'll have data series, right? So these things are all on the plot area. Now, if I have to change anything, you have to click on this chart. In normal cell, if I click, you will see the menu will have only file, home, insert, draw, page layout, formula, data, review, v, fact. That's it. You will not see anything here. But when you click on this chart, you will see two more tools appear here. One is chart design, the other one is format. So these two will be helpful for you to like go for more styling, adding or editing can be done on this. So click on this chart design. First option, add chart elements. So here we have all these informations, like all the components on the chart that you can design it. Whether you want it to keep or you want to change it, whatever you want to have it, you can just keep it as per your requirement. So this is what we have talked in the previous class. Now let's see what we are going to discuss in today's class. Formatting a chart. Now let's change the background. Here we have changing backgrounds, colors and patterns. We have three steps. First step, you have to right click on the plot area, not on the chart area, but the plot area. And in that you will see format plot area. So this format plot area will pop up a window wherein you will see fill color palette to change the color, and then you can just go with changing the border thickness, how much solid you want, all these things you can change it. Now let's do that. So this is my plot area. The outer rectangle box is your chart area. So you have to right click on the plot area. Here you will see format plot area. Just click on this, and here you will see fill and border. In fill, you don't want to have any fills. or if you want solid fills, or if you want graded fills. Can you see the changes that is there happening on the plot? No fills means it will not have any design. Solid fill, you will see lines coming there. Gradient fill, this is picture and texture. We have pattern fill, some form of patterns. Patterns you can change here, whichever pattern you want at the background. This can be changed. Automatic, you can have different colors of your choice. Let's say I want this background color, or you can have blue. No, blue with blue background will not be good. Let's do it red. Okay, my system is a little bit slow. I made it red. Transparency. How transparent you want. You want 1%, 2%. The color transparency it is talking about. So this is how we can play around with the fill color. Okay, I don't want this red. It's too dark. Let's keep it yellow. Come on, change it. It is taking time. So much of time. Alright. Tick tock, tick tock. We are waiting. Tick tock, tick tock. It's not changing. Tick tock, tick tock. Taking so much of time. Still waiting. Okay, we will not wait for that. Let it change by its own. Now, borders. You don't want to have any lines? Oh, finally we got the color. Now, border, no line. I want solid line. Oh, solid line. If it is, what color line do you want? It is, I already had yellow background. I don't want to have the same. Let's keep it purple or blue. Purple. Let's keep it purple. That is the border color. Can you see the purple lines here? The border line. How much width you want? Let's keep it more bigger. You can see the width of this will be changing. It is taking time. It is taking time. Okay, let's do, we have cap type, compound type. How do you want it? This thick or this thick or what thick? You want some design in this? So you can do that. So flat, you want the cap type, the top of that, you want it to be flat, round, whatever you want, you can just do it. You can play around with all these different options that are available. But see that it is taking some time. This is in terms of filling, in terms of shadows, edges, 2D, 3D format and rotations, all these options are available. So you can just try out, check out for this plot area formatting. Now, what we have done is in this plot area, we had changed the background. We have changed, you can change the color of this as well. The width of this border can be changed and pattern of this can be also changed. So this is what we have doing for changing, formatting a chart. This is changing backgrounds, colors and patterns. All right, next we have formatting the legend. Now, legend already we have seen in the previous video as well. We have another option. The previous video option that we have seen was click on the chart. You will see this chart design tool appears. Click on that. We have the first option, add chart element. Click on this. We have legends. Legend. This is the color pictorial that is available to show you data related information, whether you want it on the top or the left or the right, bottom. This is one method. The other method is you can see a plus. So when you click on this plus, you can see we have axis, titles, chart titles, data labels, all these things you can do it. Just the same thing what we have seen in the first step. You can just do it. Same thing. Just clicking on this plus mark. So you have this minor vertical, horizontal. We have data labels, data callouts, more options, chart title. You want to be on the center, on the bottom, above, center. That is all. You can change it. Oh, it's so fun doing this chart. Next, this is what we have seen. Now, when you want a legend, again you will have this border and color to fill that you can pick it up. Formatting data series. Here the data related to this. We have steps. First step is right click on the data series on the bars and we will be selecting format data series. So in that we have to again we'll get options of filling the colors, filling the borders, everything. So let's say this is my data. Now when you click on this data, you see all data have selected. Now click on this, right click on this data, format. Let's do it again. Right click, format data labels. Now in this again you will have this use multiple panes, got it. So here you can see filling of the colors will be there. You can use this one like serial names, or you don't want it, you can see the temperature, the names is coming along with that. The values, you don't want to have values, or you want to see the category name, this you can do it just by clicking. Can you see the options that I am doing here? It is just showing the changes. Legend key you want to display or you don't want to display, that is what it is changing, right? Next, separator. If you want to have some separator like comma or any separator in between those numbers, you can see over there separator between this and this. So that is what we have. Then data label series, you want to have in the font current label. If there is any numbers related to numbers, you want journal numbers or in particular format that you can have, whether number is percentage, date, time, currency, etc. For format code, you can just enter if you have any code related information. Filling color, if you want to fill with different colors. Now this is, let's say I want yellow in yellow. No, no, that's not good. Let's keep it. See, this color is coming with green in color. My color combinations are very bad. All right, so transparency also you can have adjust, like if you want more transparent, less transparent, just you can just play around. So as you can see, if you want to make changes in the plot area, you have to right click on the plot. You will get format plot area. If you have to make any changes to the data, you have to click on the data, right click and format data labels. So whichever you want, if it is on the chart, that is chart area, you can click on this plus, you will come across these options related to the chart. So this is how we are going to edit and format. Next thing, now as you can see here, it is also showing you to give shadow to the chart, click on the effect icon. So this uh, pentagon, if you see, there will be shadow effects with this symbol. This is icon related to shadow effects, so that you can use it. All right, there is a skill drill. If you want, I can explain you. Please keep mention that in the comment box. Next, we have types of chart. We already have talked about common charts that are available like column, bar, line, pizza, and donut. If you remember in the previous video, we have talked about pizza and donut. Apart from that, we also have got some combo charts. Combo chart is like combination of two or more. Now, let's say if I have a column chart and if I have a line chart, I can combine both of that and I can represent that in one tabular column. That is called combo. You might have observed when you are buying something online in combo, you will get multiple things at one place, at one in one order. That is what combo is. Now, for that, first thing you need is a tabular column with three columns. First is the product, the second is unit sold here, and profit per unit. That is basically you need two columns of information for a category. So this is the category x-axis, and this will be your values that you are going to compare. Why do we use combo charts? This is for comparison. Okay, so these are four steps given. First is taking the Excel sheet, tabular column in the Excel sheet, data series. Second, you have to click on the insert tab. Then we have to go for combo chart option and select any combo chart from there. So we'll do. Next, in that we can go for selecting whether you want line, column. So let's jump into this. For that, I already have created a tabular column, not to waste time. So this is our tabular. Second step, we have to click on insert. We are going to talk about, we have filters, sparklers. Okay, chart. I am looking for some. Okay, see, you can see we have these many options here. And at the last, we have combo. This is what we are looking for, right? Apart from that, we have funnel, waterfall. Wow, this look good. Box and whisker, histogram, sunburst. This is looking like pizza. Sorry, donut. Yeah. Tree map, radar. Oh, this is good. Surface. Oh, stock, map, XY plotter, area, bar. Bar we have already talked about. Pie is like pizza. Okay. Line, column, and these are templates. Okay, the last one is combo. So I'm going. So unit solid. Thank you. Oh, okay, time up. So we have unit solid with blue color. This is legend representing blue with solid. Unit solid, sorry, unit sold, and the orange color is representing profit per unit. So you want which one to be the secondary, primary, that you all can select it. So I want this unit sold and profit. Whichever you want the line series that you want the secondary axis, that is what you are selecting. You want this to be the column, or you want to represent in this way, whichever you want, that you can select from that one. Just click on this and here you go. So this is how you are going to get the chart. Again, if you want to modify anything of this, you will again have to go with the same steps. Right click on this or click on this plus mark to change the axis and all these things. Plot something you related to plot you want to change, click on the plot, format plot area. If you want to change anything to this data series, click on the data series and format data series. So filling colors, everything will be available. All right, so that's it for today's session. Uh, we have two more topics to discuss and then we'll complete this chapter. And I think by next video, I'll be completing this chapter. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment box. I'll be happy to help you. Bye bye. Thank you. See you there.